Welcome to Fishbone Off-Road's Instructional on how to remove Chevy's 2019 to 21 Silverado front bumper. Step 1. Open the hood and with a body clip remover, remove the 10 body clips from the grille. Next, with an Allen wrench, remove the 2 shown bolts, clips, and cover. Step 2. With a 10mm socket, remove the 4 shown bolts from the top of the grille. Followed by carefully and evenly prying the grille free from the headlights. Step 3. With the T15 Torx, remove the 5 bolts from just inside the wheel well behind the bumper on each side. Followed by removing the shown frame bolt with a 10mm socket. Step 4. With a 15mm socket, remove the 3 bolts from the bumper support brackets. Followed by removing the upper frame bolt with an 18mm socket on each side. Step 5. With an 18mm socket and the help of a friend, remove the 2 bolts holding the bumper to the body. And remove the bumper. Step 6. With a 15mm and 18mm socket, remove the tow hook brackets and hooks from the vehicle. Finally, with a 15mm socket, remove the 2 plastic grille liners from the vehicle. And you're done.